Hey guys, right, we're going to be watching this cyclist. It's a tight road. This is up in Mill Hill, and the overtaking is done a bit late, I thought. One of my students pointed this out to me in one of the videos, and have a look now. Students staying really far back enough, so at the moment doing really well. Now you got the junction ahead. Cyclist is kind of struggling up the hill, and then the student takes him right at the end. So the reason why this was a pass and previous video was not a pass, you might have seen that one where I highlighted where the student overtakes him on a blind bend, was more to do with the speed of the cyclists here, because they're struggling up the hill, they're not that fast, and the risk is the bend, the junction at the end where a car could be coming in, but the student's not too wide, doesn't get close enough to the cyclist, and manages to just about get the overtake done at the end. But be careful, you don't want to leave it too late. If this cyclist was any quicker, I'd hope that the student would wait, but it was a sensible examiner. They realized that the cyclist was slow, student didn't get close to them, and they've managed to get the overtake done quite quickly just before the end. So you can see again, cyclists there struggling, and then it's a clean overtake towards the end and not too dangerous. So hopefully that helps you guys working it out. And yeah, it is tough sometimes, but it's all about judging the scenario. I'd normally tell students do not overtake near the junction, but the students judge this really, really well. So yeah, all there to help you guys. Hopefully it helps.